Well, what you're looking at down there, that road, that's also the San Andreas Fault. The fault line runs kind of like parallel with that road. So I crossed over the San Andreas Fault a little while ago. I'm now hiking this road. This is the detour that they suggested. This is the detour they suggested to go around the Poodle dog bush. That covers 2 miles of the trail around mile 354, 55, 56, I think. But so everyone's been taking this detour because I'm seeing all kinds of footprints. But a little tired because this road has been just straight up the whole time. I mean, kind of crazy. But yeah, everything's going good. Here's the view. Way back there is the I-15 and Cajon Pass. But yeah, so that's all I have. Happy trails.